Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salah. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So currently trending there on Facebook, of course, would have to be popular Mojalav Bishop and TV presenter Bishop Makamu. After Facebook blogs are reporting on him, and I think I saw a YouTube blog also reporting that his house is allegedly raided by police after a side check exposed his shenanigans to the police, you guys. Now, this blog called African Music Heads did an article, a whole article, and they titled it Bishop Makamu's house is raided by police after side check exposed his shenanigan, you guys. And I did click on the article, which is written on a blog called South Today, and let me just read a snippet. In a stunning turn of events, Bishop Makamu, a prominent religious leader, has found himself at the center of a scandal that has captured the attention of the public and media alike. Reports have emerged that police raided the bishop's residence following serious allegations made by a woman who claims to be his side chick. This unexpected incident has raised numerous questions about the integrity of spiritual leaders and their influence over their congregations. As details unfold, the situation appears to be more complex than initially thought, with a mixed reaction pouring in from various quarters of society. The woman, whose identity has not been disclosed, has come forward with claims that exposes the bishop's alleged shenanigans. These revelations have ignited a firestorm of discussion, prompting many to question the authenticity of spiritual guidance in an era where morality is under constant scrutiny. While some individual expresses outrage and disappointment, others urge caution, advocating for assessment of the facts before jumping to conclusion, you guys. And it seems like Bishop Makamu has gotten hold of this article, and he admits that people have been calling him left, right, and center, and he did respond to this article and this headline in a very subtle way, you guys. He went onto his Facebook account, and this is what he basically said. He rubbished the claims and said, "I've been receiving many calls from people checking on me. Kanti nizwe ningam. To everyone who sincerely cares, I appreciate you. I am perfectly fine. Thank you for your concern." And people in the comments section stated that he was actually talking about that article, which was written by bloggers on Facebook. People were saying that these bloggers were those bloggers who would basically just clickbait, make a story for, certain engagement, judging from the comments that I have read. And Bishop Makamu says that those are just, bloggers' ways basically of clickbaiting. What do you guys think about this? Did the blogger just make the story up? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, and of course do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.